Some more planting done there on the front of the plot with the cosmos. The packet in the middle, cosmos bright lights, is across both the front plots. And then we've got cosmos bipinatus daydream in the left hand plot as you face the front of the plot, and in the right hand side you've got cosmos bipinatus bright lights. So today we've dug over this bed and I've added in some wicks compost, and we have a marrow at this end. In the middle I've got our 2 tromboncino plants, which I'm going to put up a frame in the middle. On this end we've got a courgette plant. This bed we've also dug over and added some wicks compost to hopefully stop the clay from baking rock hard on its own. And solitary on its own at the minute is a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin in the middle. When they are fully grown, we are hoping to get some Atlantic giant pumpkins growing right beside. So one there, and we'll put one in there. So just a quick overview of the plot. You can see that membrane is still there to allow the pumpkins to grow across and keep them dry. Over this side, we've got the 4 tomatoes, including the one that nearly got squashed the other day. Sucker's doing really well on there. Some flowers are appearing on this one, and these 2 are growing nice and tall. No flowers on them yet. Then we've got the jack-o'-lantern pumpkin in this bed, just covered with that mesh for the time being. Then we've got the courgette in there, the 2 tromboncinos, and the marrow in this end.